Hello! Today I want to show you how you can convert a two-dimensional array into a one-dimensional array. So let me show you an example like this. Let's say we have 1, 2, 3, then we have 4, 5, 6. So this is a two-dimensional array because we have arrays inside another array. Okay? So that's what we mean when we say two-dimensional array. And what we want to do is to convert this into a flat array. So like this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, there. So we want to go from this to this. So there is an easy way, and the easy way is the flatten method. Okay, so we can do a.flatten, and this is the easy mode. As you can see on the right, we have the desired result. We have converted our A into the B. Now, let's do this the hard way, so you can learn another way to do this, because always good to know many ways to do something, and that's something that Ruby is really good at. Okay, so what are the other ways? Well, we have recursion, and recursion is a method that calls itself. Okay, and then we have a stack. So a stack is a data structure, and it's very simple data structure. So we have, for example, I put an A in my stack, and then we have a pointer to the last element of the stack. Okay, so for example, now our pointer will be on the A. So it's not like an array that you can access any elements. You can only access the element that's on top. So that's the last element. So now if I add a B, the last element is a B. Okay, I can add a C, a D, and we only have access to the last one. Okay, and now we can take away one, and the last one is the C. So that's a stack. It's very simple. Okay, and we can implement this in Ruby using an array. Okay, so let's see how we can use a stack to transform our two-dimensional array into a one-dimensional array. How you can do that? Let's see. Let's start with an each do, and then let me do this. Okay, let's call this thing because I don't have a better name for it, so this we have to do for now. The thing, yes. So now what we have is the thing, which is the array, the sub arrays. I call these sub arrays because these are the arrays inside the array. Okay, so what we want to do is to make progress and strip away the array and get the elements inside. So one way to do that is to check for the type, like this, is a array. You can use the is a question mark method to check if an object is of some type. Okay, so let's make this a condition. If this does something, else if it's not an array, it means we have a number. So we can add this to the results. Result or result think. Okay. So here's the thing. Yeah, not this thing. The thing we are doing, I mean. What happens here? That's the important part. This is where we are taking the elements from inside the array. Okay, so this is very easy. We just add the elements inside the original array, but use the numbers. Let me show you. So we can do thing.each. Then let's call this just n for now. And what I did here is take or think and iterate using each and put the numbers in the result. Okay, and I get an error undefined. Of course, result is undefined, so let's define it. That's easy. Let's make this an array. Okay, no error, so let's print result. And what this should be is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So the flat array. And it is. Yay! So this works. And the reason this works is because this is very simple. We are just taking the elements outside. Okay? So that's the easy way to do this. I mean the harder way than flatten. But what? Let's make this a bit harder. What if I do this? 7, 8. So this is an array inside an array inside another array. What happens then? Oh, it doesn't work because we're only taking one level. Okay, so we need to work as many levels as needed. So let's do the following. If the thing, let me convert if the n, so we need to do another type check, and is a array, then we put it back. Okay, so we want to do this. Now let's maybe do the long way for now. Okay, else and yeah, it's a little messy right now, but it works. Okay, let's see if I can convert this into a ternary operator. Let's see if that works. I think it will work. So we can do this, and is a class module required? Yeah, let's do that. And it's working, and it is a bit cleaner. Okay, so that's the stack solution, and here the stack is the original array itself because we are adding the items. Okay, so I hope you found this useful, and if you like this, click on the link below and go to my blog and subscribe to my newsletter. When you do that, I will send you a guide with tips and advice you can use to improve your Ruby skills, and I think you will like that. So go ahead and click the link and subscribe. Okay? Thanks for watching.